work on our hands, fluidity, some combinations as well, and then start our choreography in your next class, which I'm also very excited for. I think I have some dancers in here who are very new to Oritaiti, so welcome to a new world. We are like, it's like a small community, but we're spread out throughout the entire world. At least here in the States, it's probably a heavier population of dancers, but I've been meeting dancers from India and like Belarus and just like random places around the world that has been so cool to find out about all of you guys. And if that is you, then hello, thank you for being here. In case you don't know who I am, I just like to introduce myself. My name is Kanani Aswenga. On social media, I go through Kanani Lokelani because my dance group is Lokelani's Rhythm of the Islands. It is also my mother's name, Lokelani, my grandmother's name, Lokelani, and my middle name is Lokelani, and it's the name of our pupu'ori, so that's why that correlation is there. And I'm Hawaiian and Samoan. My father is Samoan, and my mother is Hawaiian, and I'm very proud of that. My entire heart in life is evolved around the Tahitian culture and Oritaiti. I was born and raised in a Polynesian dance group, so we did Maori, hula, Samoa, Siwa Samoa, and Oritaiti. And it was a beautiful time growing up. And then just kind of as I started to pave my own path, Oritaiti is just where I stuck. It's where I dedicated myself fully. But I never forget my own heritage and where I come from. And I hope none of you as well forget that, because I think that's what makes it so much more beautiful is the immersion. So it's really, really cool. So thank you and welcome to our 5-week Aparima course. We're just gonna stretch a little bit. All of it's gonna be mostly like slower songs. To start off actually no, I'll talk later, because if I start talking, for those who know me by now, I never stop. So let's just dance. Let's get up and just follow me for our warm up, and then we'll get into more me blabbering. Stay with me. Let me change my music. Sorry.
Señoras y señores.
There it is. Found it. Sounds the same. Right. Can you guys? Yeah.
First, let me say to you, I cannot wait to see you. You are the treasure I've been waiting for. Do you know how much I really need you? I dey pray for the day when I can finally kiss you. You know, say every day I dey pray for you. Oh, in my heart today's a permanent place for you. That's why my heart it a beat like do bad. Cause now you I choose, so I am fair, me I am fair. I sing for you wanna be like do bad. Baby now you I go pick up, I am fair, me I am fair. But there we go. See I may not give the world to you, but I'll give you what I have. That's why my heart it a beat like do bad. Cause now you I choose, so I am fair, me I am fair. I sing for you wanna be like do bad. Baby now you I go pick up, I am fair, me I am fair. Only for you it a be like do bad. I sing for you my baby,
And shake it off. All right. This last one, go ahead and just take 3 big deep breaths for me at your own time. Just breathe in, all the way in, all the way in. Relax your body, let it fly down to your toes. Everything is loose. One more time, breathe it in. And out. Relax your body. Last time, breathe in. Kind of let the air flow through your body. I hope you feel lighter. Your energy's up, but body is relaxed and we're just ready to dance kind of vibes. All right, so let's start. We're gonna start with our technique in our arms and our hands first. Aparima, it's all about the movements of your hands telling the story. Your hips and your feet movement in the choreography below your pito is kind of there for like dramatic effect type of thing, but the whole point of it is to have your hands moving and storytelling coming from your phalanges, you know? So we're gonna start there. And also my favorite type of aparima is one with all arms and long length, yeah? Nothing too tight and within. Different styles exist, but I just love it nice and long and grand, okay? So we're just gonna work on that. No music to start off. Go ahead, stay standing. Okay, and you're just going to pull your hands all the way down. So we're just fixing your posture to start off with. Normal posture, whatever, I'm walking around the house. Dancing posture, pull it up, out. Engage my core, kind of a popped lower back, and here. If you take my other classes where we focus more on OTA kind, I'll have you really push that there. For right now, it's just to pull your body up. Don't really worry too much about that backside right now, okay? We have no fa'arapu or nothing crazy. So just stand tall. And after that, keep your chin tall. Just nice and simple. Fall your hands down, feel the weight low. Don't try to be perfect, just be nice and natural. Keep it easy, okay? So right there, and then a nice beginning pose that we're gonna do is a tautia, where you pop your right knee here, and we're gonna sit our back foot, our left foot. And just sit nice and tall, eyes forward. If your screen is below you, try to look forward beyond your screen and just feel your body engaged is really the most important part. As well as tip of your toe with your point. Point that foot, get that heel up, and then bend your back leg. And nice and tall and confident. Okay, keep your chin up and just kind of hold it there. For me, this even feels kind of tense. My shoulders are tense because I'm using my body. Make sure you feel something within your muscles and relax, okay? So now feel the difference. Go back into a natural position, just be nice and lazy, blah, blah, blah. Normal, my shoulders feel lazy. And then now dancing position, get yourself ready and tall. Good. I hope you can feel that difference. So that engagement, keep it when we do drills and when we get to choreography. You're not dancing here. You're dancing here. Big difference, right? So just keep that in mind for later, okay? So we're gonna start just here. Hands down, actually hands here. Relax your body. Relax your legs in the tautia, but keep the engagement from here to here. And we're gonna go at your chest. If you've taken my classes before, this is familiar to you. And I just want you to give me a nice wave in your fingers. Drop those fingers. Kind of feel it like this. Actually, not even the full wave yet. Just this first part. Learn to control your fingers without the rest of your arms moving. This is a little bit Siva Samoa kind looking hands. We just haven't gotten to the full wave yet. Okay, so when you wave, I want you to drop your fingers, your wrist is tall. You roll your fingers and you push out, same thing. If you are a master dancer and you already have a wave that feels natural to you, just practice this one today. And of course you can do as you please after. Here, with my fingers, my thumbs are in a natural position. They're not much placed anywhere than where they would naturally fall with my hands. Okay, so here, and you do apply them to the wave. So if I'm gonna show you this way, same wave, my fingers, my thumbs go with it. Keep your fingers tight. See that little uneven with my fingers? Try to apply that small kind, but don't make it a point. Like don't make it the whole focus of the wave. Just let them fly naturally. In. A hand wave is so essential for Aparima, and just kind of feel that. Engage your torso again. Stay with me. Make sure you have consistency. Nothing is too sloppy. Nothing is not engaged. Everything is up and up and here. Okay, you have the wave, kind of, yeah? So now back into your tautea. You're gonna sit, engage your body here. You're gonna bring your hands down to the side of your body. Palm is backwards. What is my palm? This is my palm? Yeah, that's backwards. Here, and you're gonna, oh no, I'm sorry. Oh no, yeah, palm backwards. Now for me too, I love a good elbow movement. It's going to lead a lot of my steps versus being more inwards, which is a thing. I'm very outward. See that difference? My elbow pops and then it goes forward. Same thing, back down, elbow leads, and then I rest, finish with my fingertips. So now let's kind of just practice that. You can relax your body, keep all of your engaged, just good posture is really what it is. Keep your hands low, and then you're gonna wave it one time. So you haven't finished your wave. This is one wave, and then you extend, palm in. Again, one wave, and then you extend and down. I'm gonna go a little bit closer. I'm gonna sit just so you can see more. Here. Pull your, here. Natural position with your hand placement. And here. Keep your chest up and engaged. Back down and down. 2, palms in and in. Sorry, the palms change direction. So the initial one I said kind of changes. Again, go backward, palm out, palm out, palm in, palm in. Again, palm in, palm back, and in, finish, down. Good, okay. So now engage your lower body again. Tautea, sit low, pull, and now I want you to reach. So take your full torso without losing the arch. So I don't want you to bend. You're gonna pull it back, and you're gonna go to your knee, and up. And then again, notice my back leg is still bent, my flat foot, down, and up. No, yes, even my shoulders push back. See, I can arch it, shoulders forward, push. Good, okay? So now we try all your hands and your body language. So we go from here, you're gonna go to the floor, chest, and up, 2, body, 3, above your head, 4, and finish one more time, back to your starting position. Down, 2, chest, 3, 4, again, up. Engage your torso. This is your posture training, starting you off before you get to your hips. Don't lose your posture. Shoulders back, one more time, back up. Stay strong on your flat foot, point your pointed foot, really on the tips of your toes, last time down, fingers together, back up, hands on your hips, and tautea. Relax, same side, feel your leg muscles, or switch sides, not same side. Switch your feet, left foot popped, one more time, 5, 6, shoulders, 5, 6, 7, down. 1, 2, 3, finish your fingertips, roll out, fingertips in, 2, 3, elbows extend, again, 1, 2, 3, 4, last time, and down, 2, 3, 4 to your hips, up, 2, 3, 4. Don't lose your posture. Keep it engaged, okay, and relax. Good. Show me what you got. Right side, tautea. 5, 6, going down. 5, 6, 7, drop and down. 2, 3, 4, and finish. Down. 2, 3, 4 to your hips. 2, 3, 4. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, moving on. Let's add a little bit. Let's kind of test these things type of thing, okay? So you're gonna sit down and you're gonna now roll it. It's gonna go roll, 2, switch, 3, 4. And you just switch the weight of your feet. But you have to keep your flat foot bent. So it's gonna go roll, 2, 3, 4 halfway, 2, 2, 3, and then it's gonna finish. So hands and feet together on that part, just to practice. Now you're gonna roll your hand fully, okay? Go through it. Oh, sorry, whoa, I switched my island. I was about to be like this. Little Samoan in me, sorry. I'm like, what are you doing? Fingers, use your fingers. There it is. Pull it out. Roll those fingers in with it. I really use my wrist. My wrist goes down and my wrist goes up, and I have gigantic hands, if you haven't noticed. It's great for Aparima. Everyone will always see them. Keep it out and out. Let me check. Some of you guys froze. Am I here? Am I here? Good? Okay, sorry about that. One more time. So now again, keep your hands low, engage your posture. Blah, blah, blah. Normal, pull it up and out. 2, use your fingers. 3 and 4. Okay, so now you're gonna switch your weight. So you're gonna work on evening your weight, a smooth transition from one side, corner, switch your weight, corner, switch your weight, corner, switch your weight, corner. Now, don't be robotic with it. Watch my shoulders kind of go first. It's gonna go shoulders, kind of swaying my hip. And it's literally that the hip stretch we did earlier. It's just a weight switch over. And then it's gonna go shoulders, hip, shoulders, hip. And it's not really a varu, you just push your weight onto one leg. Feel it over there. Bum, bum, sway it out. 2, 2, bum, 1, 2. Keep your feet sliding. Yeah, just drop 1, slide, point. Not halfway, put it up. Okay, so now the count's gonna go. It's gonna go 1, 2, switch, 3, 4, back down. 1, 2, switch, 3, and down. Don't jerk, don't rush, just switch your weight. Bam. Easy transition. Bam. And then make sure you're where they're supposed to be. So when you switch, you don't want to be like that, yeah? Switch your feet. Down, turn your foot, up. Down, turn your foot, up. Engage your core, fix your posture again. Take your eyes off the camera, now do it on your own. Just keep kind of going back and forth. Light feet, switch, swag your hips out, shoulders, pull it out, shoulders, pull it out. All right, all together. Keep your eyes on your right hand, okay? Only the right hand. So you're gonna turn your head to the right hand, all the way up on the right side, all the way down on the right side, throughout the entire exercise, okay? So it's up 2 counts, turn and finish 2 counts, down 2 counts, turn and finish 2 counts. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, down, and 1 roll, 2, hootie, 1, 2, down, 1, 2, hootie, look at the right, back down, again, look at the right, up, hootie, right, 2, last time, and down, 2, hootie, down, and 2. All right, and relax. I hope you kept your eyes on your right hand. That's where that extra connection comes from. So especially when we start choreography, there's always a purpose to where your your eyes are, just as much as there's a purpose when you create choreography with your hands. Okay, so show me what you got. Keep your eyes on the right side. You're gonna go up 1 on the right, Up one on the right, finish on the left, down on the left, finish on the right, fa'oti, all done. Okay, here we go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, down. 1, 2, huri, 3, 4, up, down, 2, huri, 3, 4. Okay, awesome. So before I forget, in case I don't say it later, I encourage you guys to record yourself in class. It'll help you get become more self-aware with your body. You may think that you're doing something and you may actually not be doing it, or vice versa. Okay, so that's just a little training tip. Okay, let's do it one more time. Last time, and just be a lighter transition in between. Okay, 5, and I saw this versus, it comes here as well. Here, up, down, versus tall and bent, okay? This also makes it hard if your natural position in life, walking around, is like this. It's gonna make it hard to transition when you dance. So if this is you, start reforming your body and your posture, okay? Here we go, one more time, on the right side. 5, 6, 7, and soft, down. 1, 2, huri, 3, 4, down, look at the right. 2, bend, 3, 4, finish on hands, on your hips, done. All right, let's take a listen to this track I got. Let me see. Let's try to add some more hands and hips to it. Let me get my music ready for you. Take a breather. I'm gonna take a drink of water if you want one too. I'm really spoiled, and I have a musician that I'm quite in love with who gets to give us really good practice music. So woo, go Ofa. Okay, so take a listen to the music. It's gonna run in 4s, and we're just gonna practice hand motions first. Where did it go? I lost it. Open. Simple, yeah? So here, take a listen. We're gonna do your exercise. It's going to go here. Ooh, I'm gonna flash you. You're here, and it's gonna go down. Same thing, up 2, finish 2, down 2, finish 2, and then you're gonna go no rolls. And then it's gonna go from the first one. 2, 3, switch. 2, 2, 3, and then again. Up, 2, 3, switch, down, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Roll 2, up, 2, 3, 4, down, 2, 3, 4, open hand, open. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So when you open hand, you do 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then finish. Just like that, nice and easy, okay? Here we go. From the top. play. All right, let's hit it. Or actually, we're good with that one, okay? So that's a lot of, especially for me when we get to the choreography, it's all gonna be really like up here, okay? So if you're going like this, I want you to practice pulling everything and then pulling that chest. Feel your chest, kind of control your chest. Pull it out. It's a little like hip puppy. Or maybe, I don't know, correct me if I'm wrong, a little belly dancer kind engagement where you control this. Without going like this, pull your chest up. And it helps with your core engagement. Engage your core, lift your chest, and relax. Core, chest, out. Core, chest, out. Core, chest, finish. Core, chest. Out, roll your shoulders back. One more time. And out. Out. So these are like other muscles to kind of advance your dancing, help better tell the story. For example, if I was going kind of like this, and then I engage my chest on that same thing, and then maybe I want to go back out again, I would pull my chest out. That's kind of when that's going to come into play. And no, that was not a tuane'e, where that technique is within the movement. No, it's purely out chest, in chest, out chest. Yeah? Okay, so here we go. Let's add some more movement, more hands, and more posing. So we still really haven't gotten to the hips yet. Okay. So we're gonna pull out. Actually, let's just practice exactly that. Fist. So your hands are gonna do multiple things. It's gonna wave, it's gonna roll, it's gonna pull, and all those things, okay? So really quick, give me 2 waves. It's gonna go 1, 2, roll, 1, 2, and fist, 2, just that. 5, 6, 7, and 1. Think about it. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, not your whole arm, just your fingers and your wrist, and fist. 2, again, go. 1, 2, control and extend your elbows and pull. I see this. Again, pull it down. 5, 6, 7, and out and out. Roll and push. 2, ready again and push. 2, smoother. 2, 3, finish. 1, 2, finish. All right, nice. Okay, so you're gonna pull out. It's gonna go out with that chest. Pull, 2, 3, and your chin's gonna go all the way up. If I have my bun at the top of my head, I want the bun to be all the way in the back. If you have your hair down, your cue is your hair needs to fall off of your back. So it'll go here. That's how far. Here, my hair is still on. Pull it all the way up. Okay? So we're gonna go open hand. It's gonna pull out, 2, 3, 4, and fist, 2, 3. With this, you pull your shoulder. So it's focus on the chest, that chin goes up, and then you tighten your shoulders and you pull your chin in. Versus here, it goes in, and then you're gonna bring your right hand to the top, diagonal, left hand down, open your hands, pull that chest out, 2, 3, 4, and pull all the way up. So when you do it, it leads with the elbow again. I always lead elbow. It's gonna go boom. Chest engagement, 2, 3, 4. My hand is not super perfect or nothing crazy, just a natural placement. Yeah, same thing up top. Boom. Nice and light as a feather. One more time, open hand, it pushes out, fist cross, pull out, open hand. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, chest, chin up. 2, 3, fist, shoulders. 2, 3, chest, out. 2, 3, pull. Okay, sorry, if I smack, there's a mosquito next to me. I'm in a war zone over here. All right, show me what you got. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, pull and chest. 2, 3, chin up and fist. 2, 3, and chest and pull. 2, 3, 4, and sit. Beautiful. Last time, listen to my voice and lose yourself. No camera, nobody next to you unless you're with your friend. Vibe. Feel each other's energy. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, pull and up. 2, 3, 4, and down. 2, 3, 4, chin up, chest engagement. Finish right there. Beautiful. Very nice, very nice. Cool. Oh my God, there's a lot of you online. I'm so happy. I hope you can make live classes. I didn't realize that there was like a good half of you here. Okay, anywho, so now let's add a bottom half, no hips, all posing type of vibes. This is to help with the extension and elongating your body. And then next class, I'm gonna hurt your knees and we're gonna get into a bigger sway and blah, blah, blah. Okay, so we're gonna tautea, right foot up. You can face it forward. I go sideways a lot just so you can see kind of every corner of my body. Okay, so we're here and you're gonna just dip. It's gonna go, open hand, it's gonna go out, 2, 3, chin up, and then you're gonna stand tall, flat, 2, 3, 4, and out, 2, 3, 4. So that's all I did. I went from here to tall, to down, right there. Now let's work on just transitioning from all of those leg movements with the easy, smooth transition in between. So 5, no hands. 5, 6, 7, hold, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2, 2, 3, 4, and 3, 2, 3, 4, and back, 2, 3, again, and hold, 2, 3, 4, and tall, chin, 3, 4, and down, 2, 3, 4, and back, and finish. Beautiful. All together. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, pull, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and tall, 2, 3, 4, and pull, 2, 3, 4. Good. Now we don't want to go super straight. You just have a small elbow change. This arm that's aligned with your body needs to be above your susus. These are my priceless magical susus. That's what that means in Samoan. Not below your susus. Here. Here it goes all the way up. You can use your shoulder to extra extend, to really pull this side of your body versus this is just as tall. Use your core engagement to pull it out longer. Okay, where your eyes go. To your right hand, right? In the middle. And then we're gonna look at your long hand. So you're gonna pull out, turn your head to the back hand. And it's gonna go chin up. So your chin should be reaching for the tips of your fingers over there, not your wrist. Pull it all the way out to the end. So lift that chin. In Hawaiian, you say, hai maka maka. Hai maka maka means you're all that. And that is my grandmother who taught me these techniques. Okay, so here we go. One more time. Eyes, hands, feet, everything, engagement. 5, 6, 7, pull. And look at the right. 2, 3, and in the middle. 2, 3, and to the outside. 3, 4, and rest. Hands on your hips. 3, 4. Good. All right. Flow into it. 5. And then make sure you set back into your tautea. 5, 6. Take a nice breath. You just learned it. Now be the master of it. Just relax your body and go for it. 5, 6, 7. Pull and doom, doom, da, 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 down. 2, 3, 4, and out. 2, 3, 4, and down. 2, last time, and boom. 2, 3, 4, and down. 2, 3, 4, and out. 2, 3, 4, and down. 2, 3, 4. Nice. All right. Keep your core engaged the whole time. Let's add a melody. Let me see. All right, here we go. Sorry, my computer's dying. I'm just gonna step to my left to get my charger really fast. All right, we're gonna do that one more time. And I want you guys to just kind of feel for it yourself and kind of vibe with the music and practice that little drill, that little exercise, okay? In one of my like ad videos to promote this workshop, I had mentioned your intention and your connection. And what I mean by that is, say we don't have lyrics yet. When we do have lyrics, it'll make more sense for the intent part, kind of what we're talking about, the reason why we're making these movements. But right now you don't have any words to tell you what to do, but it's your first day. So today, maybe your intent is like to just, if you're new to Oritaiti, kind of get your feet wet, feel good about it. If you're a master at Oritaiti, think about why you joined this class. And when I say master, it's like, you know, you've been dancing for a long time and you know who you are in that case, and why are you here? Yeah? Think about your intent of why you're here and now connect that to your emotions. So if you love to dance, it's very simple. It's just like, I'm happy. When you give someone a good hug, you open your hands and you engage them and you put yourself into their chest with you and you are connected to them. Now that is you and your first movement. It's your big hug kind of to yourself. You know, if you want to be real emotional with it, think about these motions can be a very happy moment for you, or it can be like, my life is kind of in the dumps right now. I'm so sad and things are going crazy. I don't know how to deal with it. That could be your little personal connection with these movements. And this will help get ready for you when it comes to us actually having the lyrics to tell. Get used to telling these movements in a more natural emotion, which is the one that you are holding in kind of your heart and your soul right now. Does that make sense? Awesome. Okay, so kind of have fun with it. Stick with the choreography, but just feel good. Connect with the music, close your eyes, and I'm not gonna scream. I'm just gonna be, yay, like quietly cheering for you, okay? So have some fun with it. Here you go. If you wanna get, what's it called? Your phone's ready. If you wanna record yourself, do so. When I see everyone in it out there, I will press play. And ignore the screen. You and the song, you and your hands in the dance. All right, just kind of getting everyone ready. Even in your tautia right now, fix your posture. Think about it. Yeah, have your dance brain on and don't turn it off until ever. Okay, awesome. Here we go. Have some fun. Hey. Oh, they didn't play the ending strum. Very nice. That was beautiful. Good. Okay, so now you took very quick on, what am I saying? I can't speak English. I can't speak any other language, and I can't speak English, so that doesn't help. No, what am I trying to say? Very early on in our course, you did like a little solo moment. Whether it was easy or not, great job, great effort, because we're not in a huge class physically next to each other. So all of this work in kind of some way is individual work. Anywho, let's move on. Very nice job. Let's get on to some more hand movement. So this is like a little small kind history test-ish, not test, lesson part. Polynesian people, we're storytellers. That's the whole thing. We're voyagers, we're storytellers. My family likes to tell me that we're descendants of warriors and we should never be afraid of anything because our people crossed the Pacific Ocean, and full on Moana movie is literally kind of what happened. And so with that said, I want to give you some hands that are very popular. And if you are a longtime dancer, you may already know this, but it's really nice. So that when you go watch a Polynesian show, it's literally like watching or reading a book, not watching a movie. You're reading a book when you watch a Polynesian show, an authentic one that's telling a story. And it could be any island, whether it's Hula, Samoan, Maori. The hands are full-on sentences. They have meanings, okay? So stick with me. Here we go. So common hands, in case you come across it, I'm repeating myself, come across a show, or if you watch another routine and you're like, oh, I wonder what they're talking about. This is what they're probably talking about. Also listen to my rotation words I use, and so on, okay? So common thing, I'll show you the common way, and then I'll show you the Kanani way. So you can also understand my modern take to things versus kind of the original traditional way. I do that because depending on where you grew up on the islands, this tradition or original is different depending on your grandmother type of vibe, okay? Anywho, so here we have, and do it with me, you have your tiare or your pua, which is your flower. You wave, and easy like here is your flower, okay? Another one you have is like this, your tiare in your ear, and simple. So you would go, one thing, it'd be like 1 and 2, 2 and 3. And a lot of times they'll go over it as the aroma of the flower and then present your flower. Common hands you'll see. One more time. 5, 6, 7, and flat, roll, flat, roll. Aroma, 1, 2, present the flower, 3, 4. And then let's put the flower in our ear. We're gonna use this hand to make the okay sign. And then you're gonna go to your ear and press onto your ear. And that's simple, yeah? Let's connect and create a random story. So we have the flowers of the land. Your te tiare no te whenua. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and then we're gonna go whenua, and you're gonna cross in front of your body. 3, 4. Whenua, just the land is right there, okay? Above the land is our sky, where we have the moon, the sun, and the birds. We're gonna make the sun, and the wind. Sun, so it's daytime, and then we have our wind. 2 hands go over your head, here, and out. Then we have our birds, and you're gonna go 1, out, 2, out, and then you're gonna make your moon, and you're gonna go 1, 2, 3. Yeah, like that. One more time. So after you put your flower in your ear, whenua, 2, 3, 4. Hitiao te mahana, your sun. Matai te manu, 2, 3, 4, and we'll just say hina for the goddess of the moon, right there. Good? So one more time. Common hands you'll see in Polynesia, 5, 6, 7, and te tiare, 2, 3, 4. You smell it. 2, present, and to your ears, 2, 3, fenua, down, 2, 3, and the sun, 2, 3, and the wind, 2, 3, 4, finish, and your bird, 2, 3, 4, and moon, 2, 3, 4. Simple stuff, really quick. Show me your bird. Nice. Don't you feel like you're like back in kindergarten in the holiday show? Show me your sun. Fenua, of your land. And then the aroma of the flower. Beautiful. And then the flower in your ear. Awesome. Awesome. Okay, another common one you have is yaurana. Yaurana means hello. It does not translate to hello. It kind of translates to live forever, happily live forever is really what it is. Polynesian people are very poetic. So yaurana, simple from the mouth, and use that wave we practiced with in the beginning. It's gonna go, and the shoulders. It's gonna go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and then last one, you're gonna go out, 2, 3, 4. Last time, to the right, then to the left, into the center. 5, 6, 7, right. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and in. 2, 3, 4. Good. What else do we have? Another common one. Your rain. Ua. Ua is your rain. It's very normal. I think we can do this in like American schools at your kindergarten recital. It's the same thing. Boom, 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 all the way down. Yeah. And then you have your mountain. Your mountains, they can go from the floor, your whenua, the foundation of the earth. It's very poetic to the reason why it starts down here. All the way up, uneven hands, and out. One more time, and back, and up. Timoa. Okay, one more time. Where do we end? The moon, and then we'll rain. So now you rain. 5, 6, 7, cross. 1, 2, 3, to the mountains. 1, 2, 3, switch. 2, 2, 3. Okay, so you have a little brief lesson if you didn't know, or now you know. If you did know, little, what is it, like kind of remember when we were kids and we first started learning how to dance. So that is a more traditional way, original way. You'll see a lot of movements like that. For me, so you can differentiate, for me, if I said the wind, I've done the wind before where I imagined the wind was around me and I had my body be pushed by the wind, and that's how I translated that lyric. So it went, instead of it went going bum, 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 I went bum, 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 and then I'll say wind after that. But I let the wind push me, and that's kind of how you can interpret the lyrics in a more dramatic way. If I were to say the land, I'll maybe just do my feet, bum, bum, and the land's below, bum, bum. If I was doing the flower, instead of going to show you the flower, I'll just stick with the aroma and let the audience kind of vibe however they want. I'll go bum, 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 or bum, 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 then flower. Anywho, the reason why I'm starting off with that, sorry if you're a little like, why aren't we dancing? Hello, I want to dance. It's to help prep you for the whole course and what's going to happen and how you can understand me, why I chose to translate this word like this. And then you guys are not just physical dancers, but you're mental dancers at the same time. I don't want to train robots. I want you to be very active in the brain, very understanding to things, okay? Anywho, let's dance again. So back up. Now let's hit our hips, okay? We're gonna just do an easy tamautere, or I'll say hura. Hura translates to dance, but when I was learning how to dance, that's the word that they would use for a sway, okay? So here we go. My sway is like technical, and I'm very anal about a lot of things. So you want to really pull your heels up, not on the tip, sorry, balls of your feet right there. Pull it all the way up, stretch those ankles, not here, pull it. You'll feel it in your legs to pull it all the way forward, okay? Now go down, engage that core the same way in the beginning and do it again. Up, up. So it's a bit harder, okay? So when you do a hura, it's a roller coaster. You go down and up, down and up. You lift your hip up and down, up and down, up and down. Keep going, up and down, up and down, up and down, up, down, up, down. Pull those feet nice and tall. You're gonna start on the right side always. I'm sorry, I didn't say that. Okay, so hura right side first. 5, 6, 7, hips. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Boom, and boom. Watch my feet change versus this. Push it up in big hips. Push, 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 okay? Make sure you have your core engaged. The last time, hura for me, 8 count. Think about your posture. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, push. 1, 2, 3, 4. Knees alternating. 5, 6. Keep it in your hips, not your shoulders. Finish. Good. All right, so let's try hands and hips. You're gonna do the open wave. 1, 2, 3, 4. Iraro. 2, 2. Hips. 3, 4. All hura. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down. 2, 2. Hips. 3, 4. Again, and reach. 2. Extend your chest. Chin up and down. 2. Hips and finish. All right? So we started the class with posture, how to use your head, what hand to follow. It's always going to be your right hand. So now think about that. Did my hair go off my back? Is my chin up? When I reach, you have to drop your chest to engage that first movement. We don't need to go here, but I just want you to practice the chest movement, and it's just gonna go down, right here. Boom, extend, and 2. Good, I saw it, very nice. One more time, 5, 6, I'm gonna turn sideways so you can see my body. 5, 6, 7, down, and right. 2, 3, 4, and down. 2, 2, 3, 4, one more, and up. 2, 3, 4, iraro. 2, 2, 3, 4, last time, and reach. Extend, elbow, tall, down. 1, 2, 3, 4, hey, tautia. Very good, very good. Okay, we're gonna add a little turn with it. Little sequence to put all of it together. So it's gonna go down. You're gonna go back to your original combinations where you roll up 2, huri, finish 2, down 2, huri, down 2, and then turn. 1. So I'm going with my right foot, I'm turning left. 2, 3, 4, finish your circle. 3, 4, right there. So if I'm with you, quick run through. We're the same direction, you can mirror me. It's gonna go down. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sway. 1, hura. 2, 3, 4. Finish your hands down. 2, 3, 4. And sit. Sit low, don't bounce. And we try it all together. Let's get some music. Check your chats. On the balls of your feet. Right here. Is that a blister? Oh no. Boom. No. Yes. Okay. Kind of fast, I think. And rest. Very nice. So we're gonna hit that one more time. When you finish it, 5, 6, 7, 8, restart downwards first. 2. Yeah, so you do your down, up, down, down, turn, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, down, down, 2. Okay, I'm gonna face you this time around. Don't get confused, we're opposite. You're always gonna start on your right. Okay, here we go. One more time, stick with me. Summary of what we're doing, making sure that you're awake. What did we do? Focus on what hand to follow, how to engage above our chest. This is up always, nice and tall. You're a queen. You are a queen, okay? Keep your chin up, and then now we hit our chest. We engage our chest, pull our shoulders back and down, and then we hit our core. My quarantine. That didn't happen, I'm dancing. Lower back, and then we hit our leg engagement, You're always low. You're always using the strong foot and a strong heel. Pick it up and sit. Right? Other motions that we had. Easy transitions from our legs. We went from here to soft, switch your weight, tall, to down, to back. Versus some, you don't want to go bum, 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 bum. Keep it all clean and smooth transition. We also hit our hands. We had few with 3 hands that we touched on today. 1 here, rolling, 2, and fist. Okay? So the other thing I want to go over today is that Aparima is not just this slow version. The way that you're hearing the music as well is very slow paced. When the music that we were just listening to, we had a lot of banjo, which is going to play into kind of the more traditional, they say, or old school. I'll say old school. Old school is oritahito. Yeah, you guys may know of oritahiti, which is what I always teach. I don't teach oritahito, but it's the style that like my grandmother did, kind of thing, okay? And so older school style Aparima was very fast paced. We have and the style of music is called kaina, K-A-I-N-A. When you hear tam 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 taram tam tam taram taram tam tam, and I'm gonna play it for you. So this is the kaina is the name, kind of music that we're about to listen to, and I'm gonna give you a little demo of kind of older school way of Aparima. Your Aparima choreography is going to be new school because I'm dramatic like that. And I like that style. But we love a good kaina moment. Kaina is the music, is what they call the music. I don't exactly know where that word is coming from. It's possible, and I'll ask, but in case someone knows in the class, let me know too. It might not be a Tahitian word. It might be derived from an English and French word. Could be, I don't know, we'll find out. Tamuri. Let's see. Let me get it up. Is this it? So this is Tamure. It's called Moorea Lagoon from Otaitie. The complete opposite of all your drills that you just did. Okay, so there's a little run through of that, nice and easy. I will also post, and if I forget, if you know me by now, I forget often, tell me like, hey, weren't you gonna post videos? And I'll show you the modern style versus the old school style. It's very similar to hula. The slow hula is your modern hula. The slow Aparima is your modern Aparima. Yeah, your kahiko and tamure is old school. So that's a little run through of that. So just for fun, let's get up and kind of dabble into the tamure Aparima. Stand up, and I want you to be sloppy with your feet. I say sloppy, others might say correct. I say sloppy because my technique is flat here. But I want you to tama, step, step, step. Sorry, toes are down. Goes ba, ba, bum, bum. Definitely more of a workout. Swing your hips. Out, 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 out. Heels up. Push, 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 push. Big, 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 big. Loosen up. Shoulders too. Shoulders are involved. You kind of go ba, ba, bum, 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 bum. you hit is the side that goes down, so it creates a crunch. If you know who Moina Moitui is, she made it a big deal when I took a workshop from her. It has to go this way. Boom, 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 bum, 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 bum. And roll, 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 and push, 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 push. Get kind of loose with it, and relax. So you're gonna do 2 moves. We'll go here, it's gonna go bum, 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 bum. And you're gonna tap your right foot, and you're gonna hit bum, 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 left, bum, 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 bum. Notice my posture, da, 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 da. Same one, push, 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 push. You twist, throw your torso and your hip. Pick it up, pick it up. Okay, so again, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, and dum, 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 da, dum, 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 da, dum, 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 da, dum, da, dum, 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 da, dum, dum. Hey, bum, 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 ba, dum, ba, dum, bum, 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 ba, dum, ba, dum, bum, 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 ba, dum, ba, dum. Hey, and da, 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 da. Hey. Simple like that. My mother would be so proud. I look just like her. Good. Better. Ready? Ready. Ready? Play. Hey. Play. Hey. 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 Woo. Samure always gives me a ab workout. I don't know about you. There's a lot of twisting in it. Okay, so let's finish off today with a few more drills. So now we're gonna add in a few more steps. You have your, all we did was a pose, your tautea and your tamautere. So let me hear my music to get me back on track. If you want a drink of water. Wow, that really made me hot. Ooh, okay. Where's my music? So here is your combination, okay? Stay with me. We're gonna hura. It's gonna hura in place. It's gonna go 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tara. 1, 2. Tuanae. 3, 4. Hura. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Bum, 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 bum. And again. Okay, 5, 6, 7, hey. Dum, 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 da, dum, da, dum, 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 boom. From here, you're gonna turn to the back. You're gonna go to the left, left, and right, and left. 2 to the front, 3, 4. So when you're on the back, you go to the left 4 counts. 2, 2, 2, 3, 4. Huri left, 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 and finish. Boom. Right, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3 to the right. 3, 2, 3 to the left, and 4, 2, 3, 4, and then drag. 2, 3, 4. Push. 2, 2, 3 to the left and left. 2, 3, and right. 2, 3, hootie left and left. And 2, and 3, and 4. Hey. Okay, ready? Hands now. Hopefully you remember that I'm dancing with you either way. So, what is it? Huda on the first one. Huda right. It's gonna go right, left, right, tap, da, da. So right, left, right, and push, and push. And then to the left, you're gonna go 1 to the left side when you go left, and then when you go right, and then when you turn, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so what if it, I don't know, you can dance with me or it's up to you if you need to watch first. So 5, 6, 7, hands up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Circle. 1, 2, 3. And again, one more. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hootie. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. 1, 2. Good? We try. We try, we try. Sit low, close your fingers, connect your hands. Follow your right hand. Here we go. Same direction as me. I saw you guys enjoyed that. That was nice. Okay, let's do it one last time for keeps. I'm gonna let you kind of, again, you vibe with the music. If you lose the count, who cares? Lose the count, especially if you're new to Orientaiti. Just vibe, kind of let your body fly and be free. And let's try it one more time. Here we go. Set your phone up if you would like to. When I see you in a strong tautia, body engaged, chin up. Just natural. Here we go. All right. Listen for my call and just enjoy yourself. Ready? Go! beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. That was really nice. I hope you enjoyed yourself on that. The rest of the classes, I'm probably gonna drill more. So this is like an intro, especially if you've never had me in a class before. The rest of them, they're gonna definitely be like dancing, 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 and I'll probably talk a lot because I always do. But today was like a warm up, okay? So just be ready for further classes. You're gonna test your knees. You're gonna get lower, more difficult movements. And it's much easier to go fast, to go slow. No, it's much easier to go faster than slower, but I love super, super slow. So instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, I'm the type of girl that's going 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, or something like that. Yeah. There's one thing I saw. Your hands are super important, and there is such thing as having a sloppy hand. Just as much as when you have it like this and there's no wave and it's very like stagnant, we don't want that. And then we don't want, look at my finger, the air between my fingers, that. Pull it in and control it, and just more natural and soft. I saw kind of like that. And no, I'm not exaggerating. So just double check if that's you, yeah? Or if you're kind of like this, just check it. Be nice and smooth. Even like this, it looks like there's no energy here. One of my favorite teachers, her name's Heu, she actually told me to put energy into my body in places that I didn't think about. And she had mentioned my hands, and I was like, what does that mean? And I was like, huh. And then I would sit here all day, and I would be able to control from what is like your knuckles to the full finger to the full wrist. I would sit and I would control my hand like knuckle by knuckle. I go like this all day, and then I would add my wrist to it, and then I would add my arm to it. Okay, and then dial it back again, and just kind of ease it out. So on your free time, brushing your teeth, that free hand while you're driving, the free hand, just wave them. If you have a finger problem, take it back to old school, tape those fingers together. It's my favorite thing my mother would do. She would tape our hands flat, so they would have to always wave with it together like that. So that is your first class. And welcome to the 5-week Aparima course. I'm getting some chats. If you guys have questions, you can always message me. My favorite thing is to analyze dancers. Let me see. And make sure that you're doing good. So if you want to send me a video, do so and be like, hey, does this look right? And I'll answer you. Do you have a preference on how our hands should look when at our hip? Yes, I do. For hula awana, is there less wrist? Yes. Hula awana, yes, there's less wrist. It depends on your instructor though. Styles exist, but I always explain it like this. So we have hula, taishin, and Cook Island too. Maori, it's really easy when you use the hands to separate the islands. What is it? Samoa goes out. Tonga goes in. And that's really hard to catch. The only reason why I know that is because I'm married. Well, I'm not married to him, but I feel like it, to a Tongan family. And I say the whole family, not just him. Yeah, so what did I say? Samoan goes out, and they're full cup like this. Tonga goes in. Though you may see Samoan style like this, but you're not going to see a Tongan style like that. You're gonna see Tongans stick to the wave with the cup. Samoa will go in and out. My Samoan teacher goes outwards here. Others go like this, which is not hula. Our hands are here, or hula or taishin, our hands are more this. The other Samoan style goes like that. Yeah, so if you haven't ever done other Polynesian styles, look it up. If you want me to post it on the Facebook page, I totally can, and then you'll be able to see that. There you go. Yeah. Any more questions? Shoot me a messenger or email. Don't DM me. Thank you for wanting to contact me, but don't DM me. Okay? Just because I'll lose you. And emails, anywho, blah, blah, blah. Have a beautiful night. Thank you for being here. I will see you on Tuesday. If you catch the recordings, they'll be on the page and a Google Doc. Anywho, nana bizu maururu. Goodbye.